Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi, I'm Julie, and this is my brother Christian. We're the founders of Mate.
You might remember us from the first Mate campaign, where more than 7,000 of you supported our mission to make the coolest and best possible e-bike ever.
Your trust and support helped us to kickstart a biking revolution all over the world. Today, we're ready to push it even further, and you can be part of it.
After more than a year in development, we're finally ready to introduce the next generation of Mate.
Mate X. It's bigger, tougher, more durable, and the most powerful Mate to date. The battery is longer lasting, the tires are wider, and the motor is more powerful. And we did all this without compromising its weight, maneuverability, or design. This Mate is a great excuse to get out of town. And with the new easy shifting gears, you can tackle any obstacles without breaking a sweat. Mate X has bigger, more rounded anti-puncture tires for better grip and better control. This gives you the freedom to go off limits, enjoy the scenery, and make your own fun. High-performance hydraulic disc brakes guarantee you'll always be in control. And in combination with the hydraulic full suspension, riding a Mate has never been smoother, even in the roughest of terrains. Whether you're into adventure, leisure, or just need a bike to get to work, Mate X guarantees a cool, safe, and unique riding experience. Let the bike do the work and cruise at 20 miles per hour for up to 80 miles on a single charge. And thanks to the built-in USB port, running out of juice will never be a problem. Mate X is still foldable, so it's easy to bring it along if you think you'll need it. And Mate X's longer-lasting battery with more volts and more powerful motor gives you acceleration and towing capacity to power your daily adventure. It's been an amazing journey so far, and we're just getting started. With Mate X, we can take it to the next level. Help us put this bike in production. The more we get funded, the better prices and better upgrades we can make to the existing bike.
And I can promise you one thing. We have learned from our first campaign, and we have assembled the best possible team from those experiences to get this bike out and about as fast as possible.
With Mate X, we want everyone to experience the feeling of ultimate freedom and to show the world that biking can be so much more. Join us, and together, let's make it happen.
I was sick at the time, and I was on crutches, and I saw an electric bike, which was $4,000 electric bike, and I said, with all my manufacturing background experience, I could really redesign this bike and engineer certain aspects of this bike in a way where it could become affordable to everyone. That's how it all began. Bike's got thumb throttles, so you just push down on it and you go. You can ride it full electric or use the pedal assist. If you want to give yourself a little bit more exercise, you ride with pedal assist. If you want to just go pure electric, you go pure electric. not needing to pedal all the time and just being able to just zip along at 20 miles per hour speed. Just the whole idea that you can ride these long distances pretty effortlessly is an amazing aspect of e-bike. So you can really use it for a short hops, to work or to store or to go to a coffee shop. That's the future, where people will be more conscious and aware of the fact that there's alternative to their vehicles. On our previous crowdfunding campaign, we had a tremendous success. We raised over $6 million. We sold bike to 67 countries worldwide. I can't thank enough our early backers and people who believed in me and in what I was building for them. So it's the most humbling experience ever. And just to have this kind of support from the communities is a tremendous honor to experience. And I just can't wait to grow that base with this new campaign.
Introducing Strøm City. An affordable and feature-packed e-bike designed for one thing and one thing only: transporting you from A to B with ease. We're the founders of Strøm Bikes, from the biking capital of the world, Denmark.
Our mission is to make inner-city commuting more sustainable and convenient.
Strøm City is your new weapon against traffic. It hides a world of power inside its sleek design, allowing you to easily conquer city streets, arrive at your destination with peace of mind and a smile on your face. Strøm City is the most flexible transportation choice. The 6-level pedal assist lets you tailor the ride to fit your mood in any situation. Strøm City gives you the freedom to explore city life from a whole new perspective. Life is a beautiful ride. Let Strøm take you on new adventures. Thanks to supporters from all over the world, we crowdfunded close to $500,000 on our last campaign. We delivered e-bikes to over 30 countries. And due to high demand for a city bike, we're now back with the most feature-packed and affordable e-bike ever. Back our project today and be the first to get your hands on the new Strøm City e-bike.
Hi, I'm Christian. This is my sister Julie.
We're from Copenhagen in Denmark, and we are on a mission to make the perfect bike for any given situation. Biking is a huge part of our culture, so we know what biking is all about and how it should feel to ride.
We also love technology and thought of a way of how to combine these two things and still keep cool functionality in mind. After many prototypes and thousands of hours, we're happy to finally say we created what we believe is the perfect bike. Let us introduce Mate.
Mate is no ordinary bike. It's an electric, foldable and affordable bike. Made for any journey, any rider, any situation. But enough with the talking, let's take it for a spin. Mate is our answer to bring people on a bike again. It makes distances shorter and hills more flat, so you can focus on what's important to you, like your friends. We designed Mate to be your everyday companion for better, easier, faster and funnier personal transportation. It can ride up to 50 miles on a single charge. It is built with the finest components, has a 6-speed computer and comes in a variety of cool colors. It will never let you down and allows you to charge any mobile device thanks to its built-in USB port. We built Mate with an integrated carrying handle, so you can lift it easily on your way up or down the stairs. And thanks to its all-terrain tires and shock-absorbing suspensions, hard-paved roads will feel gentle and smooth. Mate is just great when you want to beat the traffic and go places fast, without breaking a sweat. But if you want to exercise, choose the level of assist you want with the 6-speed settings on the computer. The choice is yours. Go further or go harder. Mate comes with smart disc brakes for quick and effective stopping power. We also added front and back suspension, so you don't have to worry about obstacles along your way. It's built durable, so give it your best shot. It is always a fun and easy experience for all ages and riding styles, for adventure or leisure. You can use the pedal assist or you can go full electric. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery at 20 miles per hour. There might be times where you won't need your Mate, so it's great to be able to fold it for storage or transportation, knowing you can always take it out when you feel the urge. We're just at the beginning. Our dream is to kickstart the biking evolution, and you can be a part of it. Once we get Mate funded, we can start production, and together we can rethink what a bike should be able to do. This bike can do virtually anything. Hey mate, pick up Julie. Oh well, we're not quite there yet, but together we can make it happen.